Hi guys, welcome to Becodewala. I welcome you to my new amazing project personal portfolio website. So in this we are going to make this beautiful single page portfolio using HTML CSS. So here we have a beautiful icon and home, about portfolio, service and contact list, and with a beautiful hovering effect you can see here, and a download CV button. And here I have written some text, and then we have a social media over. So with these social media icons we can go to our social media accounts, and here about me button. So and here we have a beautiful image of yours. So like that we can create a simple portfolio using HTML and CSS. So let's start the video. So here, before that, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe us. So here, first of all we are going for HTML, then we will go for CSS. So in HTML file we have a this CSS style.css we linked here. So this one, this style.css we have linked here. Then for the icons we have social icons we have taken. No, for that we have a font asm we are using for this icons, social media over icons, that because using that we are going to get. So here we have a linked our font. So for fonts for our text we use the font family Poppins. Then here we have a in body tag header. So in header we have a anchor tag. In this we have a class logo with img lotus.png. So here you can see the image of our logo. So that's it. So here we have a unordered list with class nav items. In this we have a 5 leads with home, about, portfolio, service and contact options. So here now we have a one download button for downloading CV. So here another section we have a with class home and id home. In this we are going for the div with class home text. In this we have a h3 tag hello im, and in h1 we have a Becodewala, which you can see here, hello im and Becodewala. So now we have a here we have a HP5, so a Frontend developer, and in a span we have a from Hindustan. So for a span tag we have used for coloring this specific text. So now we have a p tag. Here I have written that I am a front-end developer on HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I love coding. So here in the we have another div with class social, and in this we have a 4 anchor tag with this YouTube, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter icons. So these icons we are going to get from this Frontend website. So now we have a about me button, which you can see here, about me button. So for that, now after that we have a home image. So this image is for this our image, which is this image you can see here. For this image we have used. So now come for CSS file. In our CSS file we have a padding 0, margin 0 and a box as in border box, and a font family Poppins and sans serif. Then list style none, and text decoration none, and scroll on behavior smooth for our page. Then in root we have declared that this variable for our text color, main color, and fonts for our text. So in body tag we have a color with variable text color. So this text color it will store in this color. So in header we have a position fixed with 100%, top 0, right 0, and z index 1000. Then we have a display flags, line item center, and justify content space width. Then we have a background transparent, padding 30 pixel from top and bottom and 18 pixel from right and left. Then we have a transition point 3 second. For our logo image we have a maximum width 100%, width 60 pixel and height auto. Then for nav items display flex. Then for our nav item list we have a position relative. Then for our anchor tag we have a font size, p font and text color, and then we have a padding. Then for nav items on hovering it will show a hover effect. So for hover effect we have a position absolute, content nothing, width 0, height 2 pixel, background color and bottom -3 pixel, left 0 and transition 0.4 second each. So when I go and hover on our list it will show a beautiful hovering effect. So now come for our nav items hover effect. It will be 100%, means when you hover on it it will be 100%. So when you hover it will hover 100%. So now we have a download button. So for now download button display inline block and padding 9 pixel and 30 pixel, then background transparent, border 2 pixel solid and with main color, and then we have a border radius and color of the text and letter spacing, and then we have a font size, then we have a font weight 500, then transition is and 0.5 second. Then when we hover on download button it will transform scale 1.1 and a background color and a border of the button. So let's try. So when you hover, see this hovering effect. So for our section padding 100 pixel and 18 pixel. In this we have a home class. In this minimum height 100 vh and this height and width 100%. So in our background we have a background image which is background.jpg. So this image is our background image which you can see in background. So here I will show you. When I click on it it will show the background image. So this background image it is which we have used in our this project. So now for background size cover and background position center, position relative and display grid, then display grid columns repeat it 2 and 1, and then we have a align item center and grid gap for rem. Then for our home text h1 we have a margin, font and line height 1 and font weight 500. Then for our h5 margin bottom, font size and font weight. You can style your own CSS with a beautiful and customize your own code. So here we have a for a span tag with variable main color. Then in our h3 tag we have a font size and font weight and color. Then for our home text we have a font size, color and line height 28 pixel and margin button. Then for our social width 35 pixel, height 35 pixel and border radius 50%, and then display inline flex, align item center and justify content center. And we have background image color for our social icons. Then font size 17 pixel and a variable we have stored the background color. Then we have a margin bottom 30 pixel. Then our social hover we have a transform 1.1 and a transition 0.5 seconds. So when you click on our social hover it will show a beautiful hovering effect. So now for our button class we have a display inline block and color with a background, so no need of this, it will automatically take it. So here we have a background image color, then we have a here padding, then font weight and line height, then a border radius and transition. So here we have a button hover 1.1 scale transformation, and then for our image we have a maximum width 100% and width 340 pixel and height auto and right 0 and margin 18 rem. So you can customize your own CSS and HTML code for another features. So you can add more features including multiple pages website using the code. So if you don't know HTML CSS, there are many free tutorials available on the YouTube. You can watch and learn it. So that's it for our code today. So thank you guys for watching. We'll meet in next video with a new amazing project. Thank you.